Hello students, good morning to you all. Today we are going to learn lesson first the lost child. Lesson first the lost child. The author of this lesson is Mulkraj Anand, an Indian author in English literature. I would like to introduce you with the author Mulkraj Anand. Mulkraj Anand was born on 12th December 1905. He was an eminent Indian writer in English. He was notable for his depiction of the lives of the poorer castes. He is admired for his novels and short stories today also. He acquired the status of classics of modern Indian English literature. His famous novels are Untouchable, Coolie, and Two Leaves and a Bud. He received Sahitya Academy Award in 1971, Padma Bhushan Award in 1967, International Peace Prize in 1953. He died in 2004 at the age of 98 in Pune, Maharashtra. Now let us see introduction about this story, The Last Child. Actually, this story, The Last Child, it is the lesson first from our textbook Moment. Moment as a supplementary reader. Another book, second book Moment. So from this book Moment, this is the lesson 1, The Last Child, Mulkraj Anand. The Last Child, author of this lesson is Mulkraj Anand. The Last Child is the story. See the introduction of this lesson. The Last Child is the story of a small child. Once he had gone to the fair with his parents. He lost in a fair when he was looking at a roundabout. Means झूला. एक राउंड वो झूला होता है वो देख रहा था. उस समय में वो फेयर में मेले में खो गया. The child was fascinated on seeing different things in the fair. He demanded different things to his parents like sweets, balloons, flowers, and he want to enjoy that roundabout. But his parents didn't fulfill his wish. His parent every time his parents said no, we will buy from another shop. His parent didn't buy the thing for him. When he lost, a stranger tried to make the child silent. A stranger tried to quieten the child by offering him all the above things which he had demanded earlier to his parents. But the child didn't accept the things from the stranger. He wanted his parents first. He wanted the things from his parents only and not from the stranger. Now let us see detailed explanation of the lesson. It was the spring fair. All the people were going to it. Some went to fair by walk, some rode on horses, and some in bullock carts. The little child ran with his parents. Means the little child went with his parents to the fair by walk. He was overjoyed. When he remained behind, his father asked him to come. He remained behind to see the toys in the shops. The little boy wanted the toy, but his parents couldn't buy it. So they asked him to look at other things. It was the season of mustard flowering. The fields looked gold with it. The dragonflies were fluttering over the mustard flower. The child tried to catch one of them, but he was called by his mother. He ran gaily, joyfully towards his parents. He heard the dove cooing. यानी डव का आवाज. He had picked up the petals in the grove then. He also ran round the banyan tree. But again he was called by his parents. Soon the child reached the fair. He heard a sweetmeat seller calling gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi. The sweet shop was greatly decorated with different sweets. Seeing the sweets, the child's mouth watered. He said, I want the barfi. Barfi was his favorite sweet. but his saying was but his saying so was unheeded. Means his parent didn't pay attention towards his saying, towards his demand. The child went ahead with his parents. He heard a flower seller saying a garland of gulmohar and a gulmohar ki mala. The child went to the flower basket. He wanted a garland, but he knew his parents would refuse to buy him that. So he moved on. Then he saw a balloon seller. He had balloons of various colors. The child knew his parents would not buy him a balloon, so he walked on further. The child then saw a snake charmer. He was playing a flute to a snake. He went near the snake charmer, but he knew that his parents had asked him not to hear such music, so he went ahead. Then he saw a merry-go-round. Men, women, children were enjoying a ride on it. The child called, I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, mother, but there was no reply from his parents. The child had been lost. Means when they were near the roundabout, the child was lost there in fear. A full deep cry rose within the child's deep throat. He cried, Mother, Father. Tears rolled down his eyes. He cried and ran to and fro. And इधर उधर वो आगे पीछे दौड़ने लगा रोते रोते. But he couldn't see his parents. People laughed and talked. Then he ran to a shrine. There was a big crowd there. The child went a bit ahead between the people's feet, but he was pushed back. A man heard his cry. He lifted him up in his arm. यानी एक स्ट्रेंजर ने वो बच्चे को अपने बाहों में उठाया, अपने हाथों से उसको ऊपर उठाया. बिकॉज देर वाज अ बिग क्राउड, देर वाज अ रश. द मैन आस्क्ड द चाइल्ड हाउ ही गॉट देयर. He also asked him the names of his parents, but the child only said, I want my father. The man took the child to the merry-go-round. He asked him if he wanted to ride on the horse, but the child said only that he wanted his mother. Then the man asked him if he would take a balloon, but the child sobbed. यानी हिचकिया देते हुए वो रोते हुए बोला एंड सॉब. वो रोते ही रहा, रोते हिचकिया दे देकर वो रोते रहा. He wanted his father and mother only. It was the reply of the child. The man then took the child to the flower seller. He asked him if he would like to put a flower garland around his neck. क्या वो माला पहनना चाहता है? The child turned his nose. He only said, I want my mother. I want my father. Then the man asked him which sweet he would like. The child turned his face. He only said, I want my mother. I want my father. So, this was the detailed summary of this lesson. Let us hope you have understood it. Okay, now let us see some main points of this story. It was a spring fair and all the people were going to it on horses, in bullock carts, and some they went by walk. The little boy ran with his parent. He lagged behind, means he remained behind to see the toys in the shop. It was a season of mustard flowering. The child saw dragonflies which he wanted to catch. At last he reached the fair. He heard the sweetmeat seller calling barfi, rasgulla, jalebi, etc. He wanted barfi to eat. Another point, various things attracted the child. He wanted a garland, balloons, etc. He saw a snake charmer. Then he wanted a ride in a merry-go-round. Very soon he was lost. A deep cry rose within the child's throat. Mother, father, he cried. People laughed and talked. The child ran to the shrine. There was a big crowd which pushed the child back. A man heard his cry and lifted him up in his arm. The man asked the child how he had got there. He asked him his parents' name. He took the child to the merry-go-round. He asked him if he wanted a horse ride or a balloon, but the child said he wanted his parents only. The man took the child to the flower seller and sweetmeat shop, but the child said that he only wanted his mother and father. The child repeated that he wanted his parents only when the man asked him if he wanted sweet, and he was lost. Some difficult words are given, some new words are here in this story. Let us see meaning of these words. Here, alley, ALLEYS, alley means narrow passages, and छोटी छोटी गलियाँ. Then gaily, GAILY, gaily means with joy, खुशी से, आनंद से. Brimming, BRIMMING, brimming means full of, पूरा भरा हुआ, लबालब. लिंगरिंग मीन्स रिमेन बिहाइंड, पीछे रह जाना, पिछड़ना. रिसीडिंग, RECEDING, रिसीडिंग मीन्स डिसअपियरिंग. ओके, ओझल होते हुए. देन टायरेंट, TYRANT, टायरेंट्स मीन्स ऑफ अ क्रूएल, निर्दयी लोग. ओके, निर्दयी. देन हियर गॉडी, GAUDY, गॉडी मीन्स शोई, भटकिली. देन इंटरसेप्टिंग मीन्स कैचिंग इन बिटवीन. ओके, बीच में ही पकड़ते हुए. देन कॉशनरी मीन्स अलर्टिंग. ओके, सावधान करने वाली. देन एब्रिस्ट मीन्स साइड बाय साइड, साथ साथ. देन वर्लपूल, WHIRLPOOL, वर्लपूल मीन्स हियर इन द स्टोरी मूविंग ऑफ पीपल इन अ सर्कल. ओके, रिपेल मीन्स ड्राव अवे, दूर किया. हॉक मीन्स क्राइड, चिल्लाया. देन ओवरवेमिंग, हियर OVERWHELMING, ओवरवेमिंग मीन्स हियर ग्रेटली, अत्यधिक. देन राउंड अबाउट मीन्स मेरी गो राउंड, झूला. डिजी मीन्स कन्फ्यूज. ओके, कन्फ्यूज हो जाना, डिजी, भोचक्का हो जाना. देन हियर हेफ्टी मीन्स स्ट्रॉन्ग और ब्रॉड, भारी, मजबूत. देन ब्रूटल मीन्स क्रूएल, निर्दयी. सूद मीन्स पेसिफाई, शांत करना. देन persuasively, here persuasively it means that with persuasion means मनाते हुए, with consolation मनाते हुए. Here reiterated, it means that emphasize, जोर लगाकर कहना. Okay, thank you students.